Don't hold back.
Express yourself.
Express yourself by asking your doctor about Botox Cosmetic.
Yeah.
Millions of women already have. Express your interest by visiting BotoxCosmetic.com. Get some of your toughest questions answered. Find a qualified doctor in your area to help you decide about the one, the only Botox Cosmetic. It's all about freedom of expression.
Art can be awe-inspiring, fascinating, and thought-provoking. Art is all around us and in many different forms, although the real beauty of art is that it can tell a story without saying a word. And like art, those moderate to severe frown lines between the brows can also say a lot about a person.
It started to make me look like I was either concentrating too hard or I was a little bit stressed out.
I was home for Christmas and I was reading a book and my mom said, "You look like you're frowning."
I think it's because I started to look angry or something all the time because the lines were there.
Everyone has their own reason for speaking to their doctor about Botox Cosmetic. What's yours? Whatever the reason, you're here to learn about the art of Botox Cosmetic and what your doctor can do to touch up those moderate to severe frown lines between your brows. Hi, I'm Lisa Masters, and I'm here to talk to you about the one and only Botox Cosmetic, a simple, non-surgical, physician-administered treatment that can temporarily treat moderate to severe frown lines between the brows in people ages 18 to 65. Botox Cosmetic, botulinum toxin type A, is a true original. It's by prescription only, and it's the only treatment of its kind approved by the Food and Drug Administration. We've created this video to help you understand more about Botox Cosmetic, what it is, how it works, and how it can visibly improve the appearance of moderate to severe frown lines between the brows. After viewing this program and reviewing the important safety information, talk with your doctor about Botox Cosmetic to see if it's right for you. Only a licensed, trained healthcare professional can administer Botox Cosmetic. Now, let's cover the questions that are on everyone's mind. Botox, botulinum toxin type A, has been used therapeutically for over 16 years to treat a variety of medical conditions. It's approved in more than 75 countries and remains the most studied botulinum toxin and one of the most widely researched medicines in the world. The same formulation, with dosing specific to frown lines, was approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in 2002 as Botox Cosmetic. After Botox Cosmetic injections, serious heart problems and serious allergic reactions have been reported rarely. If you think you're having an allergic reaction or other unusual symptoms, such as difficulty swallowing, speaking, or breathing, call your doctor immediately. Over time, movement of brow muscles causes the skin to crease. As skin becomes less elastic, repeated frowning creates lines and wrinkles between the brows. Botox Cosmetic is a purified protein produced by the Clostridium botulinum bacterium that relaxes the muscles by blocking nerve impulses. With a few tiny injections, Botox Cosmetic blocks the release of acetylcholine, the chemical that causes muscles to contract. With less movement, the facial muscles begin to relax and the lines begin to fade. You'll still be able to frown, smile, or look surprised, but without the creases and wrinkles between your brows.
I'm very satisfied with the results.
My expectations were definitely met.
It was no big deal, and the results were just right on target.
This simple, non-surgical procedure consists of a few tiny injections and can be performed right in your doctor's office. No anesthetic is required. The first thing your doctor will determine are the places that need to be treated. Prior to being injected, these areas may be numbed with a cold pack or anesthetic. These are the sites where you can expect to be injected with Botox Cosmetic. Using a very fine needle, a tiny injection will be made into each site. Localized pain, infection, inflammation, tenderness, swelling, redness, and/or bleeding, bruising may be associated with the injection. Since there's no recovery time or downtime, you can even receive Botox Cosmetic treatment on your lunch break. And within days, you'll see a noticeable improvement in the appearance of the vertical lines between your brows. The most common side effects following injection include temporary eyelid droop and nausea. Now, let's hear from some patients who've experienced Botox Cosmetic treatment.
It was very painless. It only took about 10 minutes. I was out of there.
It's a very small little pinch that you feel, and I felt that it was really easy and much easier than I thought.
Thing about it, there wasn't any downtime. You know, like I could still go and do my errands. I could still do whatever I had planned for my day.
Serious heart problems and serious allergic reactions have been reported rarely. If you think you're having an allergic reaction or other unusual symptoms, such as difficulty swallowing, speaking, or breathing, call your doctor immediately. The most common side effects following injection include temporary eyelid droop and nausea. Localized pain, infection, inflammation, tenderness, swelling, redness, and/or bleeding, bruising may be associated with the injection. Patients with certain neuromuscular disorders such as ALS, myasthenia gravis, or Lambert-Eaton syndrome may be at increased risk of serious side effects. Full prescribing information has been provided to your doctor. You can expect to see noticeable improvements in a matter of days, and you may continue to improve during the first week after treatment. Optimal results should be visible within 30 days.
The results actually were very subtle. It took about 2 or 3 days to kick in.
You can still see expressions. I'm still frowning. There are still little fine lines.
With proper dosing of 20 units in the brow region, the positive effects of treatment can last up to 4 months. Ordinarily, you will only need to repeat the treatment 3 or 4 times a year. And treatment with Botox Cosmetic can be repeated as long as you continue to respond.
I've been doing it now for 3 years, and I love it.
I definitely would think that doing this every 3-4 months is not at all a heavy expense.
It just makes me feel like I did something for me.
According to a recent survey, most patients were satisfied with the results of their Botox Cosmetic treatment. And for 4 years now, Botox Cosmetic has been the most popular physician-administered cosmetic procedure in the United States, surgical and non-surgical combined, according to the American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. Think about your reason for talking to your doctor about Botox Cosmetic treatment, and together you can decide whether it's right for you.
I'm very satisfied with the results, and I'm satisfied with the whole experience.
Yeah, very satisfied.
I will continue to receive Botox Cosmetic treatments.
I'm glad we could share a few moments together today. We hope we've helped you get a feel for the art of Botox Cosmetic and treating those moderate to severe frown lines between your brows. Thank you for your time, and please speak with your doctor if you have any additional questions.
When it comes to a necessary skin procedure or a voluntary skin treatment, consult with the office that is everything skin. Capital Skincare introduces a skin regenerating device called the SmartSkin Laser. Many clients call it the Age Eraser. One treatment around the eyes and face causes a natural skin reaction that will lighten and remove years of wrinkles, crow's feet, and blemishes. I'm Dr. Purcell.
And I'm Dr. Purcell.
And we're everything skin.
Smart Skin. The #1 anti-aging breakthrough is helping women and men, especially baby boomers, rejuvenate and restore their skin. Smart Skin is the revolutionary laser skin renewal treatment, delivering results like this, without surgery. Wrinkles, fine lines, sunspots, larger pores, even acne scars can be replaced by a more youthful, smoother look in your face, neck, chest, and hands.
Well, having been a California native and a sun worshiper, and my job takes me outdoors, and I'm an equestrian, so I'm outside with my animals all the time. My skin was getting abused daily.
I try to, because of my light skin, hide from the sun, but the sun damage that occurs when you spend that much time outdoors was significant.
My mother kept telling me, you're going to ruin your skin. And of course I didn't listen to her, and later on I got dark spots on my face and I could tell that my skin needed some help.
So when I looked at my skin, I saw thinning, I saw fine rhytids or wrinkles around my eyes.
I had developed severe acne, and it scarred my skin to the point where it left really deep highs and lows.
You may have tried over-the-counter products or other aesthetic treatments.
I tried a lot of creams, things I'd read about in the newspapers or ads I'd get in the mail, and they really didn't work wonders. So I pretty much stopped doing it after a while.
The microdermabrasion and the micropeel just didn't give me the results that I was looking for.
As a physician, I am so excited to offer patients a way of smoothing their wrinkles and tightening their skin, treating their age spots, their brown discoloration, giving them smoother skin without taking them to the operating room.
I was looking for that next level of results that I thought I could achieve without any invasive type of skin surgery.
The Smart Skin treatment is the perfect solution. It combines 2 treatments in one, reversing the signs of aging and photo damage by rejuvenating and resurfacing the skin. This is all done in your doctor's office with topical anesthetic. During the procedure, your doctor applies a series of tiny laser pulses to your skin. The strength of these pulses is customized according to your outcome expectations and your downtime needs. As these microscopic points heal, new, younger-looking skin is revealed, and collagen growth is stimulated deep within. For most, there's very little downtime.
I had a Smart Skin treatment 3 weeks ago. I did it on a Friday night after working all week, and within a week I had new skin.
I had my procedure done on a Tuesday, and by Saturday I was at a 50th birthday party for my friends, and they were all remarking how great my skin looked.
I had the procedure done 5 days ago.
The results of Smart Skin are very exciting. First of all, to have patients come in and to see them have vibrant skin in a matter of days to at most a week is revolutionary. Smart Skin is a perfect treatment for the neck and chest. It can make a woman feel confident from the décolletage area all the way up to the top of their head.
Here's what people have to say about Smart Skin results.
I feel wonderful about the results that we've achieved with the Smart Skin.
You really see the difference in the skin. It's a lot smoother. I can feel it.
My patients are very excited about their results. I mean, they feel like it's taken 10, sometimes even 20 years off of the life of their skin.
I feel very good about the Smart Skin. I've gotten lots and lots of compliments.
It really has changed my life. It benefited my eyes, benefited my forehead, benefited anything that I had on the sides, and all the slightest sun damage is now gone. So it's almost like it's a whole new face.
I'm a walking testimonial to the results.
Happy patients are spreading the word about Smart Skin.
I would recommend Smart Skin because it's exactly that. You get back some really smart skin.
Well, to other men, I would say bite the bullet, Just do it. I have a host of friends that I'm going to be seeing here shortly, and I'm sure they'll be lined up and ready to go.
This is something that is efficacious for patients of all ages, all skin types. So I have a lot of confidence recommending Smart Skin to my patients.
I'm very pleased with my results.
The absolute best thing about Smart Skin treatment is that it changes your look. It gives you back the young, healthy skin that you had before we all went out and abused our skins by worshiping the sun.
I love my results. I look at my face and go, this is exactly what I wanted.
I said if you're looking in the mirror and you see yourself and you wish something could be done, the best thing you could do for yourself is to get the Smart Skin treatment.
The best thing for me about the Smart Skin treatment is the results. I basically have an entirely new face at 48 years old.
Ask your doctor about the Smart Skin treatment today.
Parentheses have a place, but not on your face. Lose those lines with Juvederm. Juvederm is an injectable gel your doctor uses to smooth out wrinkles, like those lines on the sides of your nose and mouth, instantly. Side effects, usually mild to moderate, included temporary injection site reactions like redness, pain, firmness, swelling, or bumps. Smooth, natural, everyone will notice, but no one will know. Ask your doctor about Juvederm.
When I'd smile, they weren't as noticeable. But when I wasn't smiling, there they were, right smack in the middle of my face.
I'd catch a glimpse of myself and would think, who is that and where do those lines come from?
So I went to my doctor and I told him what bothered me about my face and I said, these.
I hate those parentheses lines. Is it okay to say hate?
I wanted them gone. The sooner the better.
I didn't want to look done. I just want to look like me.
Those parentheses lines, I used to have them too. That was before I discovered Juvederm. Now I'm a huge fan and a loyal patient, which is why I'm here to talk to you about Juvederm. Juvederm is the next generation dermal filler. As your skin ages, it loses structure and volume, which causes those wrinkles and folds. Juvederm smooths away lines and wrinkles by putting back what nature took away. Juvederm is a smooth gel dermal filler made of hyaluronic acid, or HA, which helps to attract and maintain water, hydrating your skin and increasing its volume. Smooth and natural looking results in an instant. How great is that? With Juvederm, you're just a few minutes away from fabulous. Now, you've heard how women felt about their wrinkles and folds. Here's what those same women are saying after Juvederm.
What I liked the best is no one could figure out what I'd done.
It's true what they say. Everyone will notice, but no one will know.
I couldn't get over how easy it was. It was like, hey, where'd those wrinkles go around my nose and mouth?
And now I look in the mirror and I can barely remember what those lines were like before.
Juvederm smoothed away those wrinkles above my lips. Now my lipstick stays in place. I didn't even need my glasses to see the difference. It's like, hello, I'm back.
People would comment on how refreshed I looked. I just thought it was funny. I'd say, thanks.
Yeah, why not?
Did your doctor do those before and after pictures?
Yeah.
Because mine did, and I could really see the difference right away.
Aren't you glad we did this?
It was so easy. I tell everyone, go to the Juvederm website now.
People are so happy with the results they get from Juvederm. Now here are some more, before and after.
I love that the results are so instant.
My husband is still trying to figure out what's different about it.
If you want to learn more, check out the Juvederm website. You can learn all about Juvederm, how it works, what people are saying about it. Hey, has anyone tried the facial assessment tool?
That part of the website where you put in all that stuff and you get a picture of what you want to look like, I love it. I brought it to my doctor to show him what I want to look like.
Yeah, I tried the assessment tool too. It was so great. It helped me understand what wrinkles and folds I have on my face and showed me what Juvederm could do to smooth them away. It really helped to have something to show my doctor.
Ask about Juvederm for smooth, natural-looking results that last. Lose those lines. Look smooth and natural. You'll see. Everyone will notice, but no one will know. Ask your doctor about Juvederm. Ask about Juvederm today, because parentheses have a place, but not on your face.
Nature has a way of astounding us, producing unexpected moments of pure magic from clouds forming to the tide ebbing and flowing. Nature has the ability to fill us with wonder and in the process brighten our lives with the miraculous. Above all, nature has the power to transform, slowly but surely changing everything it touches. It ebbs and reduces, taking away volume, leaving the marks of passing time. But nature also has the magical power to regenerate, to invigorate, and to restore. As time passes, nature also has a transformative effect on our own appearance. Faces can lose some of their collagen, and folds and wrinkles may appear around our nose and mouth. Radiesse has found a way to use a little restorative magic to return that lost collagen, to give you back a natural, younger look immediately, and to keep that look for a long time. Radiesse is unlike many treatments that have come before it. It really does seem to work like magic because it's effective immediately and then continues to work with your own body to produce a lasting, natural look and feel. The treatment is so simple it can be performed over a lunch hour, and the transformation is noticeable right away. The natural, youthful look stays with you. For many patients, this effect may last a year or more. If it seems like magic, that's because it really does have a magic ingredient, and that ingredient is you. Because your own body works in partnership with Radiesse in a remarkable way. The science behind this magic involves a process called collagenesis. Radiesse magically starts this process by stimulating collagen production in your body and encouraging collagen to grow around the injection area. Radiesse contains smooth microspheres that are injected into the skin through a simple, safe, and minimally invasive procedure. Once it's injected, our little microspheres make a big difference. They add volume to Radiesse, optimizing its immediate effectiveness at smoothing out wrinkles and folds. This unique feature of Radiesse is truly a wonder of nature, helping your body create its own naturally younger look by combining our microspheres with your own natural collagen. Unlike common creams and lotions, the effects are noticeable right away. And because of our unique microspheres, the natural results are long-lasting. In fact, for many patients, one injection can last up to a year or longer, and that can mean fewer treatments and fewer doctor visits to get that fresh, natural look you want. Radiesse is FDA approved and has proven to be safe and effective through years of clinical studies and independent research. In fact, allergy testing isn't needed prior to treatment. If you've witnessed the arrival of spring after a long winter, or the effect of rainfall on parched earth, you understand the awesome transformative power of nature. Well, thanks to the magic of Radiesse, that power can work similar wonders on the way you look and the way you feel about yourself. Radiesse is the treatment that helps you become a magic ingredient, working in harmony with your own body to stimulate collagen growth and transform the way you look in a way that is so natural it will fill you with wonder.
Everyone is searching for the fountain of youth, but not everyone wants to go under the knife to find it. Recently, I discovered a high-tech treatment that puts moisture and volume back into your face, and I found a willing candidate to try it on. That was you.
Yes. Well, here I am in the good Dr. Orton's office, and I'm going to try that newfangled facial everyone's talking about. Now, I haven't had one in a very, very long time. Any facial at all. So this is quite a treat for me.
So Valerie, tell me a little bit about your skin. What are the main things that you would like to benefit from this?
Here's my quandary, and I don't think I'm unlike a lot of other women out there.
And I must say, I know your age. I'm not going to mention.
That's I'm happy to have 48. I don't care. Everyone's not been around forever.
I'm looking at you very close. Very nice.
Thank you. What do you suggest for someone who has a very busy life? They don't really take the time to take care of themselves. They're always looking out for, you know, their children or their husband or their boyfriend or whatever.
But this is so simple for you to do. It comes down to cleansing.
Right. I do that.
Okay. That's step one. Exfoliating.
I do that.
Moisturizing.
I do that.
Putting volume. Today we're doing an oxygen facial.
Okay, let's do it.
Good. So the first thing we're going to do is just gently spray you with a mist of this special serum, okay? So, do you feel that?
It's nice and cool.
Hear that sound?
Yeah, what are you sucking up there?
Well, we're not sucking up.
Oh, you're putting stuff in?
We're putting stuff in, okay?
It's definitely not like a typical facial.
No.
It's very different.
Your skin feels so soft to the touch. I can see
Oh,
the
it does
difference.
feel good. Let me see, let me see.
Okay, well, let's set you up, and I have a little mirror here. Awesome. Can you see a little?
Wow, I love it. It's really great. No makeup. I'm definitely going to sign up for 6 more of those, and I'm really excited to see how this looks in a couple days.
So when are you coming back?
I loved it so much. I actually had one before we started the show.
And how do you feel?
You know what? It really does make your skin feel more moisturized. I get breakouts around here, and those breakouts were gone the next day.
I want to show you exactly what was happening here with
okay.
your skin with this treatment, with the Intraceuticals Oxygen Facial. Actually, with this little instrument that we have here, we have oxygen under pressure. Remember that?
Right. I love that.
That felt good, didn't it? And we're actually infusing this serum of hyaluronic acid, green tea, and vitamins.
And hyaluronic acid is...
That's the natural filler that we have in our skin. That's what we use.
Oh, it's already in your skin.
It is your...
Madonna always has so much going on. Just yesterday, she announced she's coming out with a whole new fashion line for H&M. But the 48-year-old mom, she easily looks 10 years younger, don't you think? And Samantha discovered her fountain of youth.
Madonna's found the secret to staying young. For her body, she does yoga, and when it comes to her skin, it's all about the O2.
She has very, very beautiful skin.
Oxygen therapist Michelle Pack's been making house calls to Madge for 2 years, giving her a 30-minute Intraceuticals Rejuvenation Infusion treatment. Wow, that's a mouthful. Sound complicated? It's really not. It's just a treatment used to get rid of lines and wrinkles. No needles here, just a special serum.
Low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, and 5%, the other 5% is vitamins A, C, E, green tea extract, and aloe vera. So it's all natural.
To put it simply, it hydrates the skin by infusing it with hyaluronic acid, or what Michelle calls our internal lubricator.
When you look at a newborn baby and their skin is all beautiful and soft and supple, it's because, you know, they are retaining 100% of their hyaluronic acid. As we age and go older, We lose the hyaluronic acid.
When the serum is combined with oxygen, it makes new cells and firms up the skin, making it look younger.
I think what sets it apart is the instant results that it lends itself to.
That's why it worked so well for Madonna. While she was on tour last year, the 48-year-old brought Michelle along to give her a treatment before every show.
You can do the treatment and then go directly into getting your makeup done, which there's not many treatments that do that. And it leaves your skin flawless. Any pores are minimized. You know, you're basically glowing.
So even if the material girl's tuckered out, her skin will never show it.